Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best automatic gate openers. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss automatic gate openers, which are best sold and achieved top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Cozy Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. This stainless steel gate opener is designed for heavy-duty gates that weigh up to 1,400 pounds. It has a motor that's both quiet and powerful, and it will smoothly open the gate while producing minimal noise. It's also got an auto-close feature, so you can set it in a range of times from 12 to 36 seconds. Some other great features this gate opener comes with include remote controls that perfectly operate within 100 feet, so you don't have to get out of our car, along with 4 buttons that'll help you with opening and closing your gate. For durability, this gate opener has copper worm gear and also meets all necessary safety standards. Although it is an inexpensive gate opener. Also, the Cozy Automatic Gate Opener is a heavy-duty gate opener, which has the maximum security system for a house. Which also works as security alerts of a home. For commercial businesses that may have larger doors for vehicles to get through, this automatic gate opener may be ideal. And this gate opener makes you feel good. Pros. Can open gates up to 1,400 pounds. Both quiet and powerful. Auto-close feature. Comes with remote controls that have 4 buttons. Cons. Instructions are hard to figure out. Number 2. Ghost Controls Heavy-Duty Automatic Gate Opener. Have you ever wanted a gate opener that you can easily install on your own? This gate opener D-kit is great for single swing gates and also comes with a 10W solar panel. It also comes with an 18-month warranty and is suited for a wide range of gates from tubular to chain link and even plantation gates. All of the equipment needed comes with your purchase, and it can be easily installed with tools that you have at home. The tube brackets make for easy installation on your gate, and the remote transmitter can reach up to 1,000 feet. The ghost code will activate your gate system, but it'll also keep your system both safe and secure. Best of all, the system is compatible with a wide range of wired input devices that you can easily connect to the Ghost Controls board. Pros. Comes with an 18-month warranty. Can install it by yourself. Tube brackets make for easy installation. Remote transmitters can reach up to 1,000 feet. Cons. It's pretty expensive. Number 3. Mighty Mule MM572W70 Series Dual Automatic Gate Opener. Some automatic gate openers use dual sense technology and some use code technology. Mighty Mule MM572W is one of them. There are also MIC technology, sense technology, safe force technology you can check. This Mighty Mule dual gate opener is ideal for 6 to 18 feet long dual swing gates with 350 to 850 pounds of weight. The complete system includes installation kit, 2 openers, transmitter, receiver, transformer, backup battery and control board. The installation instruction manual includes a DVD with easy-to-understand explanations. Check the control board if it is easy to understand or hard. Sometimes the circuit board you will see is very complex of a gate opener. It works well with a 10-watt solar panel power connected to an automotive or marine battery. These items aren't included in the kit. All system elements have an 18-month warranty. Mighty Mule MM572W 18 feet gate opener works well with all types of dual swing gate openers made of tube, panel, hardwood, or vinyl. In case of any failure of the power source, the backup battery can open and close the gate without problems. No doubt, this is one of the best residential swing gate openers from our list. But you can read all electric swing gate openers reviews to be confirmed. Pros. Durable and resistant. Backup battery included. 18-month warranty. Uses dual sense technology. Cons. May be expensive. Number 4. TOPENS PW502 Automatic Gate Opener. Looking for a reliable gate opener that can open dual swing gates? This particular gate opener can open gates that have a maximum weight of 550 pounds and comes with aluminum swing arms that are both extendable and durable. It's long-lasting and requires minimum maintenance. It's suited for all types of swing gates from wood to vinyl and is great for a variety of places from residential to farm and more. Installation is a breeze as it can be done with common tools and requires no high-voltage electrical connection. Instructions are easy to follow, and the whole process should just take you a couple of hours. This gate opener also comes with reliable security technology and has other features such as a soft start and stop, reverse and stop model, manual release key, customer support, and more. Reliable quality. Featuring two 24V DC motors with low power consumption, TOPENS PW502 Automatic Gate Opener is designed for medium-duty dual-swing gates, up to a maximum of 16 feet long or maximum of weight of 550 pounds per gate leaf. The expendable and durable aluminum swing arms bring a superior performance for medium-weight gates. The system provides a long operating life with minimum maintenance requirements. Pros: can open gates up to 550 pounds. Requires minimal maintenance. Easy to install. Reliable security technology. Cons: none. Number 5. GATEXPERT sliding gate opener with remote controls. If you are willing to invest a little bit of money, this sliding gate opener is the perfect opportunity. You want a product that will function the same as the gate does, opening and closing on command, while keeping yourself and your family safe, secure, and looked after. This sliding gate opener has a remote control for convenience, and it also features automatic close time settings in 3 different second options: 12, 24, or 36 seconds, which leaves you ample time to get out of the gate, but not enough time for someone or something to slip past. Features: attributes: aluminum alloy base and ABS cover, chain drive. For the gate, with a restriction of 1,350 pounds maximum weight and 26 feet maximum length. Security: when the motor keeps working over about 15 minutes reaching 120 it will stop for safety. Remote control: single button mode, one same button on the remote control to circularly control the main engine open, stop, close, stop. Support for adding and deleting remote controls. At most 25 remote controls can be learned. Infrared connection: in this closing process, when the infrared ray of the infrared sensor is covered, the gate will open immediately to protect user and property security. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.